This van breaks all rules, the 2026 Hymer Grand Canyon S CrossOver 4x4 camper van. A vehicle that seamlessly blends luxury, rugged capability, and cutting-edge technology for the modern adventurer. At the heart of the Grand Canyon S CrossOver lies a robust Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 419 CDI chassis, equipped with a 190 horsepower, 141 kilowatt diesel engine. This power plant is paired with a 9G Tronic automatic transmission, ensuring smooth and responsive driving across various terrains. The permanent all-wheel drive system, complemented by all-terrain tires, provides exceptional traction and stability, making it adept at handling off-road conditions and challenging weather scenarios. The exterior design exudes a rugged elegance, featuring a metallic Tenorite gray finish and 16-inch black steel wheels wrapped in BF Goodrich all-terrain tires. A 44-inch LED light bar mounted above the cab enhances visibility during nighttime excursions. The vehicle's dimensions stand at 593 centimeters in length, 206 centimeters in width, and 285 centimeters in height, offering a compact yet spacious profile suitable for diverse travel needs. Inside, the camper van offers a harmonious blend of comfort and functionality. The living area boasts a standing height of 1.92 meters, providing ample space for movement. The rear bed measures 195 centimeters by 135 centimeters, while an optional pop-top roof expands sleeping capacity with a 200 centimeters by 122 centimeters bed, accommodating up to 4 occupants. The kitchen is well appointed with a 2-burner gas hob, a sink with hot and cold water, and a 90-liter compressor fridge with a freezer compartment. The bathroom features a compact design with a folding wash basin, a cassette toilet, and a shower equipped with a cork-surfaced floor insert. The Grand Canyon S CrossOver is equipped with the Hymer Smart Battery System 2.0, comprising 480 amp-hour lithium batteries, ensuring reliable power supply for extended off-grid adventures. A 195-watt solar panel mounted on the roof further enhances energy autonomy. The Hymer Connect system allows users to monitor and control various vehicle functions, including battery levels, water tanks, and lighting, via a 7-inch touch display or a dedicated mobile app. Additional technological features include a 10.25-inch MBX multimedia system with navigation, voice control, and a reversing camera, as well as a 360-degree camera system for enhanced safety and maneuverability. Designed for self-sufficiency, the camper van can support up to 10 days of off-grid living, thanks to its substantial battery capacity, solar power integration, and efficient diesel-powered heating system. The fresh water tank holds 100 liters, while the wastewater tank has an 85-liter capacity, both of which are insulated and heated to prevent freezing in colder climates. Safety is paramount in the Grand Canyon S CrossOver, featuring a suite of advanced driver assistance systems. These include Adaptive Cruise Control Distronic Plus, Active Lane Keeping Assist, Blind Spot Assist, Crosswind Assist, and a host of other features designed to enhance driver confidence and vehicle stability. The starting price for the Hymer Grand Canyon S CrossOver is approximately £123,560, inclusive of VAT and on-the-road charges. While an official release date for the 2026 model has not been specified, it is anticipated to be available through authorized Hymer dealerships in the near future. In summary, the 2026 Hymer Grand Canyon S CrossOver 4x4 camper van stands as a testament to Hymer's commitment to innovation, comfort, and adventure-ready design. Whether navigating urban landscapes or exploring remote terrains, this vehicle offers a versatile and luxurious solution for travelers seeking freedom and self-sufficiency on the road. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss the latest in automotive innovation. See you in the next drive.